You can only make this day the day you want it to be. You're the only one who can save you. You're the only one who knows you. I've been through the fire for you. Yep. Buildings and buildings and new buildings and new buildings. Been through the fire for you. Beautiful Sunday. Beautiful, beautiful Sunday. Yeah. And just went to look for my mama. And now I'm going home. Yes, and this is Jamaica. Don't get it twisted. This is Jamaica. For the most part, we're beautiful. We are a beautiful island. And there are many, many spots in Jamaica that you would love to see. So this is my